The best way to get ahead financially is by working a side hustle. You can use your professional skills to take on additional projects that will supplement your income and allow you to focus on what matters most in life and not just work. Pushing yourself a little more might not feel fun, but the future version of yourself will be really grateful for your efforts. Besides, starting something now and feeding the fire over time could lead to an opportunity for passive income and unlimited earning potential if executed properly. Your employer won't pay you much more than the bare minimum. We all know that employers want to pay just enough in order to get the job done and keep their employees happy. And it's increasingly common for employers to pay new hires more than faithful employees for the same position in order to bring in new help, even if it feels unfair. If you have been working for a long time with the same employer, they may boost your wages and promise to provide extra privileges. However, as Robert Kiyosaki says, there is no security in a job. You could show up at work one day and find out that the company just closed its doors. Whether the owner suddenly retired, the company was purchased, or it simply ran out of business, companies are trying to prevent employees from finding out by leaving them in the dark. It leaves them in shock and disbelief when such situations arise. If you're planning to stay at the company for the fat pension they promised, bear in mind that if it dries up or if the company goes bankrupt, you may be relying on Social Security income or a low-paying job after retirement. When you are an employee, there are much fewer income opportunities. There are exceptions to this, but usually the height you can reach is very low. Similarly, when you are an employee, your flexibility with terms of work is also limited. Diversify your income. It's never a good idea to rely on one income source, no matter how stable it might appear. And this is certainly true if you have dependents and other major commitments. If your company suddenly shutters or you lose the person who is paying your salary, you run the risk of losing everything. If your company is in danger of closing, have you thought about how it might affect your life? It's no secret that unemployment rates are high. This means that competition for jobs is tough, with most companies only wanting to hire the best. A side hustle or small business will provide you with extra income and serve as a buffer and safety net during uncertain times. Just think of the possibilities if you were making an extra $2,000 a month from a side business. That might be enough to pay a mortgage or cover expenses if you lost your job. Having less reliance on that emergency fund would give you more peace of mind. If you had more money each month, what would you do with it? Get the family to the beach, take road trips, or make sure your kids are set for college. Maybe your goal is to become financially independent and retire early so you can explore the world. To do this, you'll need to work on paying off debts and investing your money so it provides you with a passive income. More money allows you to explore life's more luxuries. When your income is capped, it can be difficult to enjoy more of the good things. The side business could turn into a full-time business. The best thing about running a side hustle business is that there's lots of opportunities for growth. Sometimes this even leads to the side hustle becoming the main one. The future of your career is in your hands, as pay will be dependent on the results you produce and not just on showing up to a 9-to-5 job every day. Sure, you might get small incremental raises each year and maybe a promotion if you're lucky, but the salary is low and likely won't reflect how hard or well you work. A side business could be the best of both worlds as you enjoy the so-called security of your main income. Face it, your 9-to-5 job salary probably won't be enough to provide for your family years down the road. Working for yourself and building a side hustle gives you the opportunity to earn an unlimited amount of money. There are tons of ways if you start looking for them. However, not taking advantage of an opportunity is limiting your income opportunities, leaving it in the hands of your boss, who likely doesn't care all that much about your upcoming years. Side hustles are one of the best ways to make more money, increase your freedom, and lower our risk for burnout. Take advantage of the additional work you are doing now. The extra hours will make your future self very happy. Your hard work will compound year after year, and in the end it'll be worth enjoying more experiences with all that money you'll earn. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell to never miss out when I upload a new video. See you next time.